My name is Marley from First Drive, and today we're going to assemble our GLC Benz. Let's get started. First, we're going to start with our rear window. Where you will find it at on the car is behind the rear axle on this side.
And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Next, we're going to screw our rear window in so the rear window don't move.
For the homies that ain't making it, my folks locked down. I never went nowhere. What they saying, loot is back. Blame it on that contour. The hood call it Ludiac. And I'm on this foolish track, so I spit my foolish flow. My hands go up and down like strippers' booties go. My verses still be serving, tight like a million virgins. Last time on a college remix.
Next, we're going to start rear wheels onto the back axle. Our front wheels are made just like the back wheels because they both have gears now, or motors I should call it. After you put your wheel on, you use your washer. First is a flat side and like a round side. The flat side facing the wheel. Your nut. And if you don't have enough room on this side, you can give it a push from this side. Like it's probably sticking out more on this side, you give it a push so you can get a better screwing. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And to tighten it, it comes with these wrenches. Put one on one side. One on the other side, you turn it in clockwise, and the other one counterclockwise. Next, we're going to install our hubcap. It comes with 3 tabs, and 3 tabs go where the ridges are. You line it up with the ridges, push there to hear it snap. Next, we're going to install our front motor. When you're installing it, make sure you get it like a little snug so it can actually hook all the way in. Because it's like this little round piece hooks into the metal piece right here. So we got to get it lined up with. And that's that. And then after you line it up, hook your front motor up.
And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there.
Next, we're going to start our front wheels onto the front axle. You line the gear up with your motor. And then, washer first, flat side facing the wheel. Then use your nut. Give it a little tighten with your hand first. Then use your wrench that comes with the car. Turn it clockwise. Then, gonna start a hubcap. Like I told you before, it has the 3 tabs. You line it up with your ridges. Put it in. Let's hear it snap. Next, we're going to start our left side window. We know it's our left side window because it has an L. Next, we're going to put our screws into the side window so that the movement stays in place. These are the screws you're going to use. 3 little black screws. It's one hole. It's 2. Three. Next, we're going to start our steering wheel. Line it up with the prongs. There's 3 prongs in here. Here's a little snap. Tuck the wire in there. Make sure your hose are lined up. Like a little star pattern here for the nut. Then you have to move. You don't need anything else. I give it a couple turns first, and then I move my finger just to make sure. Next, we're going to install our seat. We have 4 ridges here. You line them up with these holes. 4 holes. Make sure they're in the hole correctly. Then you have your 2 ridges here, which lines up to the back rear window. Line it up. Give it a little push. Then screw your seat in. Like I said before, you're gonna use the little black screws. Line it up with the hole. Next, I'm gonna slightly walk you through the wiring. Here, you have your left motor, which is the yellow and green wire. And your right motor is another yellow and green wire. You also have yellow and green that goes up to the front, connects to the motors. Then you have your red wire for power, which connects to the main source. And this is the right motor, this is your left motor. And you hook up your red and black wires for the car to start. Last but not least, I'm gonna start our front window. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ridges. You line it up with the hose. Go ahead and snap. To pair your remote to your car, you hold down the M button. When it starts flashing, turn your car on, and you're hooked up. Also has 4-wheel drive, you have 2-wheel drive. Just flick this switch up and down for your lights. And that's it. Now I'm gonna show you your charger port and like some of the functions of the car. This is where you connect your charger at. Here, then you got your Bluetooth option and MP3 option. option. And your radio option. This is where you hook everything up. Aux cord, your USB port, and you press mode.
Bluetooth mode.
To connect to Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode.
Wait till it pops up on your screen. It's called YFB2 car. Click that. Should be connecting now. It's connected. Then you can play your music. That's how you do that. And that's it for our assembly video today for your Mercedes-Benz GLC. For more support, you can contact us at ridefirstdrive.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.